This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
Hello and welcome back to Go MMT Radio, and today's theme is extra special. कुछ यूनिक है क्योंकि 11 तारीख को है मदर्स डे और वही सेलिब्रेशन हम आज से ही शुरू कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर ऑन योर फेवरेट रेडियो स्टेशन Go MMT Radio. So it's Filmy Friday with a twist, and that is a Mother's Day special Filmy Friday. अब अगर मूवीज़ के बारे में बात करना हो जो कि माँओं पर बनी है तो काफ़ी सारे हैं, राइट? इंग्लिश कम्स टू माइंड. इंग्लिश में कितनी खूबसूरती से जहाँ पर माँ का दर्जा ठीक से नहीं दिया जाता है, एंड शी इज़ काइंड ऑफ टर्निंग इनटू दिस डोर मैट. शी स्टैंड्स अप फॉर हरसेल्फ and she does something that stuns the entire family, and she also kind of puts everybody in their place and finds a new place for herself in the family. And that, I think, was the turning point for not only Sridevi in her career as an actress. I mean, she's had so many turning points. The first ever female superstar that we've had of our country, and the kind of messaging that came out of that movie. And then, of course, Rani Mukherjee's more recent one, Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway, how she fought for her child. Neel Batte Sannata was another fantastic movie. Mom, again, which had Sridevi. Secret Superstar, again, how the mother fights and stands for her child and takes all the risks despite being so scared of what it will land her into. She just kind of, keeps pushing herself. Stepmom, Erin Brockovich in Hollywood movies, Mother's Day, Mamma Mia. I mean, there are tons of them. What it shows is what the mother has to offer. Her great loyalty, multifacetedness, how she just keeps everybody together, right? That's the beauty of it. I'm sure you have a lot of plans for Mother's Day. Keep those plans up while I take you through a lovely session of conversations around moms and also your requests and your messages on this very special show. Let's start with the very first message that has come from Harmeet from the flights marketing department based out of Gurgaon. They said, write God's name in just 2 letters plain. My heart spoke first. No need to explain. No scrolls, no stars, no chance, no law. I closed my eyes and wrote just Ma.
We have launched the OPD services exclusively for We Care Fund members. Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
Such a beautiful start to the show with Harmeet's message. I do have more messages and also requests that are coming up, all on this Mother's Day Filmy Friday special on Go MMT Radio with your host Annie. Well, before I get to the next message, I have to quickly take you through what's happening that you can binge watch over the weekend. On Netflix, The Royals releases on the 9th of May, and that is today. Set in the fictional kingdom of Morpur, The Royals combines dynastic politics and modern romance. The drama actually heats up as a traditional prince and a modern startup founder clash, and they fall in love. Bhumi Pednekar and of course Ishan Khatter has come back on the screen after a really long time, and they look like a good-looking couple. Yeah, Sakshi Tanwar, Zeenat Aman is going to make sort of a comeback, and that is so cool. And oh my God, there is no one better than Zeenat Aman to be playing on the screen. So that's today, and also on Netflix again, The Diplomat, the geopolitical thriller featuring a mysterious woman arriving at the Indian High Commission in Islamabad seeking repatriation. The premise promises suspense, espionage, international tension. It is a must-watch for fans of shows like The Night Manager, and I'm a huge fan of The Night Manager, so I don't think I'm going to miss out on The Diplomat. More things to binge watch over the weekend, as this is the Mother's Day Filmy Friday special. I did talk to you about the movies that we can actually go back to and watch again over the weekend to celebrate our mums. There's Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway, there's English, Neel Batte Sannata, Mom, Secret Superstar, Stepmom from Hollywood, Erin Brockovich. Oh, that is a movie I must have watched like over and over again. Mother's Day, Mamma Mia, the list goes on and on. ये तो आप देख ही लेना, जिसके बारे में मैं बताना चाहूंगी, which is a new release, Gram Chikitsalaya on Prime Video. It's created by the Viral Fever TVF, and it's a slice of life Hindi series which takes us again back to rural India, village clinic, Amol Parashar, Vinay Pathak, Akanksha, Ranjan Kapoor. It's a lovely cast. Very heartwarming stories, quirky patients, rural charm, ये सब होगा. जैसे हमने दुपहिया में भी देखा था, हमने पंचायत में भी देखा था. There were such lovely stories coming from the little towns of our country. There's just so much heart, lovely drama, great content and great entertainment, right? Well then, that's it for you when it comes to what you can watch over the weekend, not forgetting, of course, the mom special movies. But now, getting straight to some more messages as well as requests. Here is another message that comes from Varun Sachdeva from the finance department, Gurugram. My mother was my best friend, but we lost her in 2018. Her absence makes me feel hollow. Varun, I will not be able to say that I understand your situation, but I can feel the pain. And let me tell you, like most others would have told you, that she is watching over you and she has always kept, her energy around you, protecting you just like she used to when she was physically around. Varun, a happy Mother's Day to you and a happy remembering of your mum on this special show that I'm doing today here on Go MMT Radio.
Attention trippers.
जादू मेरी नजर से याद आया, उसमें नजर भी कवर्ड है. नजर बोले तो विजन हेल्थ केयर ऑन अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप. जाके डाउनलोड करना यार, जल्दी जा.
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
A mom, ek maa, the mother of a family, is someone who holds the family together, who is the pillar of strength. And I think in most of my interviews with the Go Trippers right here on Go MMT Radio, most of them have named their mom as their childhood hero or even their personal hero, someone who's been their role model because of the multiple hats she manages to wear and not only maybe do a job, get the finances in place, but also kind of, get everything back at home also, prim and proper, just done so well. Of course, she does tire out. Of course, she does require the support that her children and her husband and her in-laws and everybody around can give her. And I think that is what we as children, that is what we as sons and daughters need to continuously remind us. When we are much younger, when we are children, we don't realize it. हम सब एक ही काम करते हैं, मांगते रहते हैं और वो बेचारी देती रहती हैं. पर जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं और हम हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को भी समझते हैं, तो मेरा ख्याल है हम हमारा पर्सपेक्टिव जो है वो चेंज करते हैं और खूब सारा प्यार हम भी उन पर ढालते रहते हैं. एंड दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. सो व्हाइल यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर स्पेशल गिफ्ट्स फॉर योर मम्स एंड स्पेशल मोमेंट्स, मे बी यू ट्रैवल अ लॉट सो यू डोंट गेट द टाइम, सो you can surprise her and have a really nice meal with her. You can even cook for her. I mean, come on, all our lives I think our mums cook for us, and this is a good day to kind of make her feel special. And of course, you can give her many more such days of cooking her favorite meals. But I think doing something by taking out time is one way of really making our mums feel special. So while you're at it and planning all of this, I'm going to share the next message. It's from Gitanjali, who is in the tech team based out of Bengaluru. A lovely message for her mom. For the unappreciated moments, the unnoticed sacrifices, the unexpected affection, love and care. Thank you for all your efforts in giving us unwavering support and comfort throughout. That's beautiful. A lovely message for Gitanjali's mom here on Go MMT Radio. Gitanjali, a happy Mother's Day to you too and your mom. This is Go MMT Radio. It is a Mother's Day special. I'm your host Annie. Stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Vishal Vikram Singh.
Hi, this is Ravi Chaurasia from HR department.
And you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Go MMT Radio.
Today, when you start your day, put the customer in the center and answer every communication as if you are on the receiving end. Let's show our customers that we truly care. Hello, I am Parikshit Chaudhary and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
This is a Mother's Day special on Go MMT Radio on Filmy Friday. फिल्मों के बारे में तो बात हुई है और अपनी माँओं के बारे में भी खास बातें हुई हैं. आपके पास हर रोज़ कितने सारे छोटे छोटे मोमेंट्स होंगे, बड़े बड़े मोमेंट्स होंगे, जहां आपको ये याद आएगा कि आपकी माँ ने आपको कितना सपोर्ट किया है. उसी तरह से हमें भी अपने माँओं को सपोर्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर मॉम सोचें after a long time, like maybe in her late 40s or even 50s, that she wants to start something of her own. She wants to feel independent all over again, financially as well as, otherwise, like re-looking for her identity and things like that. I think it is our duty to support her in everything she wants to do. Just as much as she has sacrificed to make our dreams come true, it is time for us to give all the support we can to let her dreams now come true. I know you're thinking about it. Maybe you've already done it too. So let's celebrate these moments on this Mother's Day special as well as on Mother's Day, which is on the 11th, that you will be celebrating with your mums. And to everyone listening to Go MMT Radio, a very, very happy Mother's Day. May you be blessed with all the happiness that your mums give you, and may you also be able to give back that happiness to your mum. Well, with that, I take your leave. Yes, it is a wrap. I will be back on Monday with Badhai Ho. Till then, have a wonderful, loving weekend, I must say. This is Go MMT Radio and your host Annie signing off. Bye-bye.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo and Redbus.